Good morning, y'all. This is the dude in the box truck. We're here on a Tuesday, second day of the week. Brooke Bent was in town last night because it was a rainy night in Georgia. It's sprinkling right now. Might get dumped on again today. I don't know. But keep tuned, keep posted. We'll see what's going on. Looks like we going to Cartersville with a huge job. Then around Atlanta, and then a job like south of Noonan. Gonna be a lot of butt time today. So this truck has half of the big job on it. And this truck has the other half. These doors go with the other stuff on the two trucks. We got that quad, the 4 windows behind it, Pine Hill, Cannonberry, and this one right here. Being route stop number 1, heading to Milton. We made it.
Yeah, I was just telling Shorty, you want to run with it? Or? Nah, I'll bring it down. Come on.
I can grab the middle. We want to run with it.
I'll run. Where we going with it? You gotta lean it though.
Which way you want to lean it?
To my right.
All right.
Move on a bit. Oh. All right, no problem.
Here. This guy's high up here. I was hoping we was gonna be taller than the trees and we could see that lake down there, Lake Allatoona, but it's not happening. All right, we gotta wheel them all the way to the back. We're gonna be here a minute. I'm not gonna film it all. I'm just gonna film a little bit of it.
So you can pass with a car. That one.
Oh, good night. Long haul. Got one done. All right, now for this truck.
Ready?
Yep. Show you how we flip it. There's just these mahogany doors left. And this job is done. That's it. shaka. We got 4 single windows. He wants them in the back, down here, out of the rain. There she blows. Boom. Nobody was home. Builder wouldn't pick up. Just put it right on the side.
Oh shit! Oh mama.
Whole ass tree. Dang, it's a big tree. Next to the last stop. Got some parts and pieces going here. We got some we got a display that we gotta get. On our way to the last stop. It is 2 hours from Atlanta, south. It'll be a long day. Already is. It's already past 3. We already put our 8 hours in. Sales, we finally got a hold of dude. Gotta go through the back entrance, so we can't fit through the front. Finally made it, last stop. I don't know if we're gonna get around that corner, man. We'll move this grill.
Yeah, absolutely.
Need to come. All right, we're clear of the fishing poles. Look at that. That's how hard it is raining. Golly. Y'all, we made it. It's raining like crazy out there. I'm glad we got all the jobs done before it started pouring like that, but golly. Went to Cartersville, Metro Atlanta. Then we had to turn around and we were 20 minutes from Alabama. It's been a long day, 13 and a half hours. Let's get it. I might hang out here till it stops raining. I don't want to get soaked. Wow. This dude in the box truck. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Please subscribe. We're doing it again tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a lot drier.